There'll be a few that will do stupid things, that will be financially irresponsible. But for the most part, you're going to have three categories of Bitcoin treasury companies. You're going to have the pure play digital credit issuers that are laser-like focused. Our company, a Metaplanet, someone like probably a Strive, I'm going to guess. Someone with a lot of equity capital that's going to just sell equity and pure credit, and they're going to be laser-like focused. They're going to 100x or 1,000x. Those are going to be the screaming equity winners. Those are going to be the next Mag 7 stocks, right? Those are companies that can go from $1 billion to $100 billion or to $1 trillion. Then you're going to have the strong Bitcoin players. Maybe they're not the single dominant player in their market, but they're strong Bitcoin. They got a lot of stuff going on. They'll 10x, 20x. They'll be good. They'll win, but they won't be the next Mag 7. They'll be like, companies that are very, that buy a lot of Bitcoin and do some. It's not their laser like 150% focus, but they'll do some and they'll be strong performers.
Right.
And then you'll have companies that just buy some Bitcoin, and they'll buy some Bitcoin and they'll have another business. Yeah. And over time, the other business may trade sideways, and the Bitcoin will actually support the equity market cap of the company. Yeah. And so they're the ones that can't lose, but because they're not 100% focused on Bitcoin, because they have another business, they have other liabilities, they'll grind up with the S&P and they'll be successful even if their core business doesn't work. Right. But they'll still be, low risk, maybe they'll be 2, 3, 4xer. And I think you'll see all of that. And it all comes down to the conviction of the management team and the business model. If you're saying, well, what would I like to be? What you'd like to be is a pure play Bitcoin treasury company that issues equity and issues high quality Bitcoin credit. And you want to own that capital market. You want to be the category killer in the UK, in France, in Brazil, in Norway, in Japan, in the US, in Canada, right? In Germany, in Italy.